Welcome to beautiful West Mountain here in Hamilton and my brand new listing in this gorgeous little family-friendly community. 63 Fonthill Rd, Unit 21. 3 finished levels, 2 large bedrooms upstairs with a renovated bathroom. Main floor has a gorgeous renovated kitchen, and then downstairs is a bonus room. Could be an office, could be an extra bedroom. It's got a large closet, laundry, and direct access from the garage into the house. You know what? Let's go for a tour and I'll show you all about the upgrades. Welcome to 63 Fonthill Rd, Unit 21. Dated home is perfect for first-time buyers, investors, or anyone looking to downsize. Inside, you'll find a bright, open concept layout with a renovated kitchen featuring quartz countertops, modern backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and stylish vinyl floors. The living and dining area is warm and inviting, complete with LED spotlights, a cozy gas fireplace, and a large window that fills the space with natural light. From here, step out to your private backyard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Upstairs, the spacious principal bedroom offers 2 large closets and lots of natural light. The second bedroom is equally bright with a double closet and plenty of room to grow. You'll also find a modern, fully renovated 3-piece bathroom featuring a large glass shower, heated floors, and a sleek vanity with quartz countertop. The fully finished basement provides direct access to the garage, laundry area, and a versatile 3rd bedroom, ideal for a guest suite, home office, or kids' playroom. This is a welcoming community with easy access to the 403 and Lincoln-Alexander Parkway, plus nearby parks, shopping, and schools. Well, thanks for coming on the tour here today. As you saw, plenty of upgrades and a beautiful home. Help us share this video and help us find the new buyers. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax. If you want a private tour or more information, please reach out to me. And you know what? Have yourself a beautiful day.